Hey guys, it's me Ariana, and today I'm doing, and I took off my nail polish. If you've seen my Musical.ly, today I'm doing in the kitchen. If you are guessing, what is this? This is a charger thing that broke. So, just broke off. So, yeah. Here, let me show you. There it is. Just broke. So, yeah. Today, if you were guessing well, you can guess by the title, because today I'm making my first glow-in-the-dark slime. So yeah, here are my ingredients that I'm going to be using. Blue glow-in-the-dark glue. It's Elmer's new. It's new, great for slime. Make sure you can go get this at any store like Target or. I got this glittery one, but I don't have any glitter, so I just got a glittery one because I was like asking my mom if I could get glitter for glue. So I was really wanted to make water slime, but if I did water slime with this would be like, yeah, I don't know what to say. So my first ingredients is glue. Second, well, this is not an ingredient, but this is a container that I found. There it is. A bowl. You need a bowl. If you think this is oh my gosh, you guys, I'm sorry. If you think this is water, well, it's not, because it's like, see that stuff? That's not water, so I'm gonna put this aside there. I need like a bigger screen. So that's my Fiji, and then my last is a mixing spoon. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, actually, I don't even know what to do. So first thing you want to do is take your mixing bowl. You want to put your activator and your container on the side, and you want to use your glow-in-the-dark glue. And take that out. So I'm going to use a little bit of water because I put like a little bit of water in here in this glass. Well, I'm going to put just a little bit, this whole thing, because I want it to be like smooth and soft, you know what I mean? And I'm not gonna add the whole bottle because I want to make more, because I've wanted to say this. Oh wow, look at this. One kiss, it's all it is. Look at that. That's just a waste or something. Here, let me try getting that out. I can't get that out or anything. I'll try getting that out later. So you see this? I wanna put it in. Yay! Whoa, looks super cool. Okay, that's it. Okay, let's, okay, use that. I'm gonna put my thing in. Okay. So I'm going to mix it now because there's water and glue, so time to mix it. I don't know how this is gonna work, but I feel like I want it to work really good. If this doesn't mix really well and good, then I'm gonna have to mix it. Like, I'm gonna have to put a little bit more glue. So here is the formula right now. I'm gonna mix it. It already looks like very slimy to me. But it's not like the slime that I want it to be right now. But it looks slimy this looks perfect for you to slime someone. Like, see that? Looks very perfect. Might have to add a little bit more here. Okay, let me show you guys what's the formula right now. There it is. And then, yeah, I think I'm gonna add a little bit more water or something. Okay, time to add. So I think this is a great form to do it. So now I'm gonna add my Fiji. Not my Fiji water, my activator. So I already mix this. Make sure you put like a little bit at a time. So yeah, there. That was a little bit a lot, but I don't know about that. So I'm gonna close it because I don't want anything to spill or anything. So yeah. Or to get into like a food and then the next day my mom wipes it and then someone eats it and then yeah. Okay, time to mix it. Oh my gosh. Can't wait for this to turn into slime. Whoa, it's already turning in slime. Okay, let's make it a little bit more because I put lots of water. Okay. This didn't really turn out as slime, but I'll mix it a little more, so. Here. Whoa, didn't turn out as slime, but how is this even gonna work? It's probably a slime fail. This is glue, but I think you're not supposed to add water, so I might have to do this again. So now add a little more there. That was a little bit a lot because I might have to add more. And yeah, whoa, this slime. Okay, it's turning out good, but I'm gonna might have to add a little bit more glue because I added a lot. So let's add there. That's good. Okay, I added a little bit more glue, so now I'm gonna close the cap and mix more because this glue is like gonna, I don't know about this, but it looks weird. Might have to knead it with my hands later when it comes off of the bowl, so yeah. I might have to mix it really good. I wish I could use, oh wow, whoa. Did you guys see that? That was cool. Okay, it's sliming, but I'm mixing it, but every time I mix it, it gets harder, and then look, it doesn't like really. Do I really have to add more? It's probably because of the glue. I need to add a little bit more of this. So why don't I mix this first? And then I put it in. There we go. Mix it more. I think it's starting to slime up. It's good. Yay, it's sliming. Because this, when it comes off the bowl, I will knead with my hands. Starting to slime. So I might have to knead this with my hands for a very long time or something. But yeah, it's gonna be great slime because I'm a good slimer. It's good slime. Sorry, this is my family.
Sabi ng post mo muna.
No. So this slime is turning out really good. Might have to add a little bit more activator. That's really good. Okay. Whoa. Whoa. It's cool. Sliming.
What is that you're making, Yana?
Slime.
Slime?
So, whoa, that's cool. Okay, you can. I wish I could use a mixer, but to mix this, but I don't think it will work. Oh, there it is. Getting slime mixed. Okay, I feel like it's not sliming up. It's not turning into slime, so I might have to add more. That's like a lot more because I I didn't really make so much slime, but I feel like it's not, it's like, the glue, I think I put like so much water that the glue didn't like meet the water, because the water doesn't really react good with this kind of glue, I guess. So I feel like I want to, oh wow. Okay, I'm gonna knead it because, whoa. Ooh, it's sticky. Okay, gonna knead it. And if you guys are gonna be answering, you guys ask me a question down below, and I will answer them in a video, an answer video. So yeah, might have to take a video. Answer video. Wow, whoa, it's cool. Okay, might have to take off all the glue. I'm gonna take off. Whoa, it's like weird because this is super weird. So it looks blue because JK, it's blue. So I'm gonna put this aside. Yeah, I'm putting this aside. Now I'm gonna knead it with my hands. If it needs more activator, I'm gonna ask my mom to help me. Might have to yell because, oh wow, it's getting stickier and stickier. If you feel like you see a string of hair, that's actually the slime because it's sticky. So, whoa, it's really cool. It's getting sticky. This is actually a nice slime. I have to add back in the bowl to grab some more slime. Okay. Play with it in the bowl. I feel like if you guys watch Piper Raquel, well, she made she made slime like this, but it's the blue one, I guess, or the pink. She probably got blue or pink, because I saw it like turn green. And this changes colors, I guess, because in her video, if you guys watched her video, you saw with Mia, aka Good Luck Charlie, you would be able to see her slime turn like blue, green, blah, blah, blah. I don't even know. But this slime is turning out really good. In the video, it looks like it's foggy and stuff. It has bubbles. In the video, it looks like it has bubbles, I guess. Yeah, it looks like it has bubbles, but in real life, nah, it doesn't have bubbles. So, well, a little bit of bubbles, I guess. Wait, does it have bubbles, you guys? I don't even know. I don't make slime anymore, like in the year, because I haven't had any slime supplies, and I have school now. And I'm in 2nd grade. Yes, I just graduated from 1st grade. So yeah. Okay, let's turn this around so I can see the other side, because I can't see my big camera. Whoa, super cool. I'm gonna try getting this stuff off, the rest of the glue on the side, because I really want to like not waste all the slime that I'm making. So it's a very sticky slime. So I'm gonna play with this for a while and put this aside. So might play with this on here. I'm gonna put this on here. Something on here. There's slime on my hands, and there's glitter somewhere. You guys can't see it, but it's like there. It's like glitter on my hands. So my hands are literally super sticky because the slime, you guys. On the video, it looks super cool, but here it looks like a greenish kind of. And the video looks blue, like really, really blue, because I don't know. This might be a long video though. Let's add like, it's like nice slime, but it's sticky. Cause I might have to like add more activator. It's probably because of the water. In the bowl, in the cup, it looked like there was not too much water, but I might have to add this back into the bowl. You need it. Let's add like a little bit of activator. So yeah, I'm gonna add a little bit of activator and eye it. So, oh, that's a lot. So I'm gonna mix it again, not with my hands because I don't want to get like hurt or anything, because they say borax hurts you or something. Whoa. This is okay. Time to knead again, because added borax already. So this is really cool. I feel like I'm focusing on the real life instead of the video. But yeah. Whoa, this is cool. So, whoa. This is weird. It feels weird in real life. It looks like it's slime, like slime. Not like this slime, the one that you have to like, that's not sticky, but this feels like the sticky one. This feels weird. This is good to slime people with. If you put so much water and then mix it and then leave it in the bowl, you might want to not put activator because they can get hurt. So, weird. Whoa, it's cool. Okay, time to put that aside. Whoa, it's turning out good now. Okay, this is better because this slime is really good. Now I'm gonna try making this. I'm gonna try going into the restroom and see if this slime is gonna turn glow in the dark. So I'm gonna take you guys with me. Here, let me show you the slime. There's the slime. Oopsies. Okay, there's the slime. I'm gonna have to knead it more a little bit later, but my hands, I feel like they're gonna, yeah. Okay, gonna take this into the restroom. To the restroom without turning on the lights. Let's see what happens if I put it in the bowl, bring it to the restroom. Let's see, there's the slime. I have to look at my feet first. So there is the slime, and it's really glittery. I meant like it's like a very glittery-ish thing. So okay, my dad's in there. Okay, let's try in my restroom. I usually go to my family's restroom, but time to see if it works. Let's turn off the lights. Whoa, nothing is really, it's glowing, you guys. You probably can't see it, but it's actually glowing. Oh, never mind. You guys can't see it. It's like in real life. It's glowing, you guys. In real life, it's actually glowing, but I feel like it needs more light to glow because I left this in the restroom. I left this in the restroom, and I might have to turn this video off because I might have to do a part 2 to show you guys when it's done. So I'll show you part 2 and bye. Make sure to like and comment. I'll say that part 2. Bye.